Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do lifestyle vlogs and beauty videos, so if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you know whenever I make a video. So guys, today's video is going to be a productive kind of vlog. So yes, I've started already, so we're just going to be continuing with the day. So yeah. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling that well. Sinus issues, as you can hear in my voice. My voice is so crusty. But yes, we're gonna have a productive day nonetheless. So let's get this day on the road. Well, we already started, as you saw. So Shan, tell Mama our charges. Boil it in. Alright guys, so since I'm feeling that way, we decided to take some vitamins. So we're taking some vitamins. No, but like the flag here we have asked me out. Say good morning to the flag, Mom. Sit there right there, the cans here. Good morning to the flag. Should I take my breakfast? No, mother. Not yet. We're having some vitamins. It was? Can you hear it over there, boy? I'm trying to call you. I don't like the taste of this, so cheers. Tastes bad, baby. Tastes bad. Now let's do for Shan. This I have to put it on back up. Alright, let's shake this before it loses his face. I bring it to her. Drink up, sweetie.
Your mother out there. Here you go. Yay! She did it! You got mushy bits, you know.
Alright guys, so next on the agenda, we are gonna just freshen up the bathroom because they're having a funeral across the church. And I think quite a number of persons that actually know us, or you know, people might stop by and actually use bathroom. Who knows? So we're gonna freshen up my bathroom. Already clean, you know, just needs to be fresh. Yeah. So the bins are already out, so just to get them to dry and then put them back in. And then oh yes, my leave sponge for the back. So yes, I go fresh in here. So what I do, I keep this in my bathroom. So this is my little contraption. So this has in both what do you call this again? Disinfectant and bleach. This is bleach alone. This is disinfectant alone. So that's what I keep it in. And then, you know, if I want to just freshen up, my spray like my bathroom. I love to spray my bathroom with bleach and disinfectant, especially when I'm gonna deep clean it. So yeah, and then you know, spray the outside as well. Don't want that to catch the thingy, so move that. Alright, so and then after I'm done, like I'll put bleach on this separately just to stain it. Alright, so I'm gonna get my sponge on and clean up.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You make me that nothing.
Alright guys, it's now fresh. So my sister's gonna wipe and then we'll put back down the mat. So yeah, done. I'm gonna do the other bathroom now, and then I think I'm gonna get to washing. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'm gonna do the other restroom now, and then I get to washing. Alright guys, so it's time for me to tackle the kitchen. I need to wash up, tidy up the table, you know, just clean up the kitchen.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing.
Well, the plates have been washed, you know, everything washed, counters are clean, table is clean. These have food in it because they cooked. Let me cover that properly. Then cook already, so I'm not gonna trouble that, but then I'm gonna now sweep and wipe the kitchen because everywhere else is clean, just for the kitchen to be swept and wiped.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing.
I'm just letting these get some sun while the kitchen dries. So, yeah. Alright guys, so that's done. I have washing to do, so I have some washing to do. I'm not gonna do too much because, as I said, guys, not feeling so good. So don't want to spend the entire time washing. Right now I'm just spraying my, my mat because it wets up in the bathroom. And before I carry it in, I'm gonna, it's done in. So just to make sure, make me just, you know, put some Febreze on it. Yeah. So I'm gonna set my clothes to, let me set it before I go in. I'll set some clothes for soak, and then I do a video, and then I come back and wash them. Yeah. Then after that, I think I'll be just okay. Alright guys, so now that I'm finished with the cleaning aspect, the washing, I'm done for today. I'm gonna shower. I did add on SBA and lesson plan. I've been putting that off for the entire week and I need to do it. So later on, after I get back, I might do that. The thing is, I'm gonna get it done before Monday. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna get it done before Monday. But it's kind of hard because you know you want to enjoy every bit of your holiday, because you know that when you get back it's just work, work, work. So yeah, I'm gonna shower right now and then yeah, get some rest.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I just realized I did not end my video because I was editing it. So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I make a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.